the Traveling Gilberts.
Ahoy there! Captain Bayou Billy J here. And guess what? I got a package in the mail from the Gilberts. Who the hell are the Traveling Gilberts? But this is the package and they duct taped it. I don't know about these people. Let's find out who these Gilberts are and what the hell they sent me. Well, they sent the name to my alter ego, but they spelled my last name wrong. That's Jensen, not the O-N. And look at this fancy duct tape job they got going on here. That's some crazy. So I opened up the box, and this is what we got inside. It looks like something from the K, the F, and the concept. Alright. K, the F, and the concept. I like the logo. There's no duct tape on this box. No duct tape whatsoever. Alright, I opened up this box. Let's see inside. Oh, we've got some goodies in here. We've got clip stash pouch undercover. Ooh, sneaky. Of a carabiner. Ooh, they paid $4. Oh my god. Alright, anyways, inside here. Ooh, a nice little bag. I'm not sure if there's anything inside, but let's take a look and see what's inside. They left nothing. There's nothing in this bag. Let me check the other pocket. Hold on. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and I unzipped it, and let's see what's inside. First, I see like a stringy thing. There's a strap-on. You got a strap-on in here. Anyways, I look in the other things. I don't see nothing in these things. They left me nothing. There's nothing inside this. Alright, so I got the clip stash pouch undercover out, and I got that black thing with nothing in it, and the strap on. Let's see what's left in the box. Looks like a bag. Oh, there's the K&F concept bag. Ooh, that's a fancy bag. I'm definitely going to use all my camera equipment inside. Look, it's got a strap on too. Look at that strap on. Strap on. Yeah. Alright, that's pretty fancy. Oh, and it looks like a tag in here too. K&F the concept with the fancy logo and like a little small strap on. Yeah, isn't that cool? Backpack. Well, thank you, Traveling Gilberts. Who the hell are you? But thanks for this cool stuff I got for the Who the Hell Are the Traveling Gilberts video contest. I still don't know who the hell you are. Who? Who
the hell are the Traveling Gilberts? Eating gumbo, got their taste buds thrilled, rolling dice in a lively casino land, the pralines in their hand, gadgets in their plan.